Around Halloween, lots of people break out the dry ice to make things just a little spookier. And did you know that dry ice has something in common with a fun trick-or-treat treat? They are both made of carbon dioxide. What candy are we talking about? Well, it's a classic, Pop Rocks. Watch. What has dropped the jaws of all these people? It's a pop culture phenomenon that's swept the country for 30 years.
Pop Rocks is the original popping candy. It's been around for 30 years.
As a child of the 70s, it was the best candy out there because you toss it in your mouth, make all these noises, and just tasted really good. I haven't had this flavor yet.
My friends and I used to swallow the Pop Rocks whole and then take turns listening to each other's stomach. Can you hear them? Yes.
Like a lot of great innovations, the creation of Pop Rocks was actually an accident.
In 1956, a general food chemist was actually trying to develop an instant soda pop. And he was doing this by putting carbon dioxide into a hard candy tablet.
The instant soda fizzled out, but in the mid-1970s, the carbon dioxide-filled candy hit retail shelves with a bang. The craze was so big that rumors started popping up.
It's the cookin Pop Rocks. I mean, it's the oldest myth of time.
If you eat Pop Rocks and then immediately take a swig of Coke, your stomach explodes.
I'm pretty sure if it was going to explode, it probably would have happened when I swallowed them whole.
Whoa.
I can still feel them popping in my throat.
I'm okay.
Wow. What a rush. Wow.
I'm going to have some more.
Certainly this was one of the best urban legends ever and is truly false.
Today, Pop Rocks are made by Seta Espacial S.A. at their factory in Spain. But what makes them pop?
I've still been trying to figure that out, to be honest.
Well, we got scientist Steve Spangler to help answer that decades-old question.
Let's take a look at the science behind Pop Rocks. They're actually melted sugar, and when they melt the sugar, they pump carbon dioxide into that sugar, and then when the whole process cools and shatters, then you get these Pop Rocks that you see here. They're actually pieces of candy with carbon dioxide trapped inside. So what happens in your mouth is that the saliva dissolves the candy and releases the carbon dioxide gas that was put in there at the factory.
So it's just carbon dioxide escaping the candy. Then what about the urban legend?
All right, maybe you could eat that many of them. Okay, that's perfect. So there's the Pop Rocks, all right? Now we have to fill the flask over here with the soda. So now what we have to do is somehow combine the two and then try to trap the gas. And of course the balloon would be like your stomach and it just blow up. So let's see if that's true. There we go. So now we just dump it inside. That's a pretty good burp, but that's no stomach blowing up.
The balloon, aka your stomach, barely fills up. That's because only the small amount of carbon dioxide from the soda and the candy is released into it.
7 or 8 packets of Pop Rocks. It has the same amount of CO2 carbon dioxide that would be in 1 can of soda pop.
3 decades and 1 explosive urban legend later, Pop Rocks is still giving kicks.
We can make up to 1 million packets of Pop Rocks in any given day.
All the classic flavors like strawberry and watermelon are still around, but the folks at Pop Rocks are not afraid to try new things.
In years past, we actually did a cheese-flavored Pop Rocks.